Hi, hello. This video about lesson 1, my family. This lesson belongs to environmental science in 5th grade CBSE. I think this video helps you for better learning than the books. My family video consists of unique features of my family members and your children's. It also tells characteristics of the family. Likewise, first one, trait, types of trait. My family relationship differently abled people. Before learning the traits, we know something little about genetic phenotypes and gene. Hence, some ideas before studying the trait, you learn genetic things. These traits are passed from parents to offspring by the genes. Something is called gene transformed by individual characteristics from the parents to offspring. Genes are the piece of DNA material that contains hereditary information. This is responsible for passed information. Some parent to offspring genes are located in the cells and controls trait develop in living things because the gene or offspring resemble their parents in many ways. Apple tree produced more apple from it. Individual characteristics of the microorganism, everything controlled by the traits. Next, type of trait. It is classified into two types: inherited trait and acute trait. That means the trait comes from the parent is called inherited traits, and what we characteristics and the skills we learn from our lifetime is called acute traits. This inherited is determined by the certain rules of heredity. Inherited traits are coded in the DNA and hence can be passed on to the next generation. Example: eyes, color, height, complexion, color of a hair, etc. The scientist named George Mendel was the first person learned inherited trait while experimenting the pea plant in his garden. He found the inheritance of certain trait, also yellow peas. If the yellow peas plant crossed with the green pea plant, the baby plant could also have the more dominant color, in his case yellow. His experiment became the foundation of study of heredity. Acute traits, on other hand, and characteristic that occurred by an individual in his lifetime. It may be acute due to his own activities and accidental infused, unlike inherited trait. Acute traits cannot be generally passed on the next generation. Example: the ability to dance, cook well, etc. The characteristic and learn from our environment. For example, writing, dancing, working, jumping, sports, and so many transformers. Inherited trait or genetically determined characteristics of the quality in distinct one organism from another organism. Which organism have specific genome or chromosome so that contains genes responsible to transfer the information from one generation to another generation. For example, twins, brothers and sisters also resemble each other. Two children who are born at the same time to the same mother called twins. When the twins are exactly like other is called identical twins. Some twins are doing not look exactly like each other is called fraternal twins. Likes and dislikes. Our likes and dislikes is instance of the kind of cloth we like to wear, the movie we like to watch, or even the sport we like to play, are they influenced by our family, the people around us, and the place where we grow up or live. We grow up following that. We are taught and infused our family. Is there anything you particular like to do? You do have a favorite likes and dislikes. Values are our family also help the shape and our values, the way we behave, the way we speak, and how develop. We grow up with the family values, and as we follow them daily, they become the part of our behavior. Eating habits are mainly infused by the family and the traditions. For instance, children born in the vegetarian family grow up to become the vegetarian too. Children used eating non-vegetarian food will enjoy the smell of fish and meat while it's cooked. It is in a diverse country like India. We get different types of food in the different places. Our food habits also influenced by the place where we are living. We must respect our food habits and other new relationship formed once a child is born. People become mothers and father, grandmas, grandfathers, brothers, sisters, and aunts or uncles. Children grow well with love and support of their family. The feeling of belonging and affection is important for relationship. In happy family, each member contributes in making the decision, keeping in mind that every member's needs are met. Each member of the family several qualities that are unique him or her. Will we get some traits from our family? We pick up many skills and habits from the environment in the which we live. Several traits make us similar to our family, but there is qualities that are about your unique qualities, and write them down. Feeling to read. Each community, it is made up of people who have different needs, and differently abled people are differently from us. They may not able to do all things that we can do, but they can do many things that we cannot do. These are people who cannot see, speak and hear properly, and even those who cannot move freely in their own. These people needs to help do something, cannot move freely in their own. These people needs to help to do these things. Some cannot write properly, or they having difficulty in speaking words, writing and doing mathematical calculations. We could listen towards the differently abled people's public buildings, office, hospitals and even the schools we can be construct, keeping in the mind their needs and safeties. Wheelchair ramps, wide doorways, hallways and a lift could be made to make it is easy for them to move around. These are difficultly abled people who are unable to hear and speak. How do they communicate? They use sign language with the help of their fingers. Did you know that famous people in the world achieve success despite facing physical qualities? Beethoven is a brilliant music composer, could not hear. Stephen Hawking is a famous scientist, had many health issues, yet he made some important discoveries in the space research. Helen Keller was a famous author and the teacher who could not see. Dear children, please like, share and subscribe. Do you have any doubt? Comment in the comment box. Thank you.